So can you vlog with the Insta360 X3? Let's go somewhere a little bit warmer to find out. Welcome to Cyprus. This entire video is being filmed with two Insta360 X3s. The X3 footage you're watching right now is for my behind the scenes and vlogging footage. My vlog setup is really simple. I'm using the Insta360 mic wind muff to reduce the wind noise, and I set the audio setting to stereo mode. This X3 is for capturing creative shots. So let's get a shot here of the mosaics using a no drone, no problem type shot. Cyprus averages 320 days of sunshine a year, and today is no exception. I'm in a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Pathos Archaeological Park. It's famous for ancient ruins that go back thousands of years. It's got underground tombs, temples, mosaics, monuments. So let's go and explore. So if you were here with your Insta360 X3, how would you film it? Would you put the selfie stick behind you? Would you do a bullet time? Well, I think the best way is just to experiment and pick the best shot in editing. Accessories I am using in this video include the Best360 Monopod Pro, so I can go hands-free. I'm using the Insta360 bullet time string to create that 360 matrix-like effect. The Best360 magnetic camera mount to capture those car journey shots. The Best360 camera clamp so I can capture time lapses, and if I get a chance, go on a bicycle ride and capture a bicycle journey. And a super long selfie stick to capture those drone-like shots. Now let's explore the island and have some fun with the Insta360 X3. Quick confession, I completely forgot my Best360 monopod today. So I'll be using my Best360 backpack as a monopod for the first few shots. This is such an incredible location for a shot and a really good opportunity to use a 360 camera, because on your phone or any other camera this would be very difficult to capture in one frame. So let's do a time shift with the 360 and see what it looks like. This is St. Neophytus Monastery. It's a temple carved out of a cave, and I'm going to try a time shift effect here. This is Kikos Monastery, the richest monastery in all of Cyprus. The inside of Troni is pretty dark, so to get the maximum dynamic range inside, I'm going to take a HDR photo instead of using video, and that will give a much better result. Let's explore the capital of Cyprus, Nicosia. Behind me is the border between South Cyprus and North Cyprus, and you need your passport to get across. So make sure you're carrying it when you come to Nicosia. So now that I'm on the other side, let's explore North Cyprus. This place is called the Bridge of Lovers, and right now there is a wedding shoot going on. Check out Limni Pier. This place formerly used to be a mine, and there was a railway track going from the mine all the way down the pier to the end, transporting rocks and minerals. But now this place is being used by local fishermen and swimmers. Today, Ayia Napa is a huge tourist and party destination. But back in the day, this used to be a woodland area. Ayia in Greek means holy, and Napa comes from the word wooden valley. Who would have thought? I think a drone-like shot would look really good here, coming across the water onto the island. So let's use a super long selfie stick and see what the result looks like. Just arrived in Limassol, which seems to be the city centre of Cyprus. Check out Aphrodite's rock. This is the birthplace of Aphrodite, who is the goddess of beauty and love. When you come to Cyprus, there are going to be many cats here, and I bought them a little treat to feed them. as they're always meowing for food. It's 1 hour before sunset, so I've mounted the X3 on the balcony using the Best360 clamp, and I'm going to use interval mode to record a time lapse and leave this running for 2 to 3 hours. The past 7 days in Cyprus have been absolutely amazing. I could have captured this adventure using my phone or normal action camera, but the shots you can get with a 360 camera are on a completely different level. I can see things without having to capture it through a phone screen or a GoPro screen. Yes, the editing is going to take a very long time, but I think the effort is worth the reward because these are memories that I'm going to cherish forever. So back to the question, can you vlog with the Insta360 X3? Yes, yes you can, because it unlocks a whole new world of creativity. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to make videos like this one, then check out the X3 course that I made. I'll leave a link in the video description. So what did you think of this video? Did you like it? If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below and I will explore another country in 360.